Hey everybody, I want to welcome you to Cornerstone. We are out here in Cornerstone. It's a community that's in Covington, Washington. We are just off 272nd Street. You can see we're kind of out here during the busy part of the day. But the homes here were built roughly 2012 through 2014 time frame. Really nice two-story houses, nice, well-maintained community. Has two playgrounds here. Homes are roughly 1,400 square feet and up. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath and bigger. One of the nice features in here that's kind of cool, you don't see a lot of places that have the two sidewalks and stuff like that. So when they did this, they really planned it out well. And as I was saying, you do have easy access to freeways. Everything's kind of conveniently close. If you'd like more information on Cornerstone, feel free to go ahead and reach out. You can call, text, email. We're on Facebook as well. If you're buying and want to know how you can get the best deal, we'll be more than happy to share it with you. We've got multiple lenders that are really great. If you're looking to sell and you want to know how you can get the most for your home in the current market and what we're experiencing, we're here for you as well. So once again, I want to thank you guys for coming out here with me today to Cornerstone. And if you're also looking in other surrounding areas close to this, our team would be more than happy to help you with that as well. We've got a full staff and we are full-time brokers, so we are here to help make your experience the best it can be. Have a great day.